Well, here's a beautiful 2002 Chevrolet Corvette 1 SC Coupe, just 18,000 miles. Beautiful car, and this car is priced right. Check the pricing and other detailed photos in the description right below this video. It'll take you to all that information. This is a beautiful car. Black on the exterior, black on the interior. It has a really nice glass top as well. And under the hood, 355 horsepower LS1 engine, automatic transmission, and posi rear end. Now, factory features include the $2,700 1 SC Preferred Equipment Group. This includes heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power sport seats, dual-zone electronic climate control, fog lamps, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and auto headlights. You'll find also on this car performance axle ratio, polished wheels, Bose CD stereo, power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, and cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling as well. Best of all, this car, it comes with a clean Carfax, and as you can see, it's loaded with options. This car, as we mentioned, shows just 18,514 miles and is in overall nice condition. The car's paint is in very good condition, has a great shine, and the glass top is in average condition. It looks great. Factory polished wheels are very good to excellent condition as well. And as you can see, the interior of this 2002 Corvette shows very good factory leather seats, very good to excellent steering wheel, door panels, and center console. Additions to this car include a twin-cone filter cold air intake, window tint, and a polished exhaust filler plate with the C5 logo. So give us a call today to take home this beautiful C5 Coupe. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. You can speak to one of our sales representatives at 770-414-5552. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification button. You'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Again, we make shipping something you can do with ease, less expensive than you can imagine, and of course, as an online dealer, you can buy with ease, but more importantly, with confidence. So give us a call, buyavette.net here in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.